Hello friends, in today's video we are starting the digital electronics course. In this syllabus, the first chapter which you have to learn is number system. So we are starting with the number system. First we need to learn about what is digital system and difference between analog versus digital system. So in first lecture you will go through this topic and also about the definition of number system and how many types of number systems are there. After that we are going for the ways conversion methods. This is about like binary to hexa conversion, hexa to binary conversion, octa to hexa conversion. These types to be explained in these lectures. After that we will learn about sign and magnitude representation, how we can represent plus minus numbers, and what is the meaning of sign and magnitude. After that we will look for complements of the number, 1s, 2s, 9s, 10s complement, and why we use complements. After that we will go through the classification of binary codes. We will learn about gray code, binary code in detail, gray to binary conversion, binary to gray conversion with shortcuts, and also we will learn about accessory code. After that, in the classification of binary code, that is error detection and correction code, we will learn in deep about that with too many examples, and you will be also provided some homework for that. After that we will learn about BCD codes and floating point number representation. This point is very important because from this topic you will always ask a question either in your BTech examination, either in your GATE examination, or any examination that you are giving, NIC, ISRO, DRDO, BARC, anything. This is all about the number system that we are going to cover. After that we will go through the Boolean algebra. Now I am explaining the syllabus of Boolean algebra. Now in Boolean algebra, firstly we are going to learn about the logical gates, its properties, about its truth table, and also we will see everything about gates about in this chapter. We will learn about the universal gate. This is the most important topic because many of the questions will be asked from this topic also, and this is the base of the digital electronics. Like you have to learn logical gates very carefully because in whole syllabus you are using logical gates for the implementation. Now after that we are going to learn about the basic theorems and its properties, like De Morgan's theorems and many theorems, like we are going to learn one by one in each video. Now we also learn about the switching functions, and the main topic is we are going to learn about the canonical and standard form.